Welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to prepare a IC50 curve by using GraphPad Prism 11. Let's start. First you have to open your prism, then click in XY and then enter here. I have 3 replication, so I can click here. If you have one single data, then you can click here and then click in create. Then here is your data sheet. Now your task is to transfer the data. Here are my data, so I can transfer this, copy and then paste here. It will take automatically. Oh no, it didn't take automatically. Let's check again. Okay, right. I have 3 replication and in x-axis should be occupied with concentration. Right, in x-axis concentration microgram per ml and plant extract inhibition 3 replication should be in y, A, B and C. Now you have to click analyze and then nonlinear regression curve, then click here and then you have to go to dose response inhibition, click here. In dose response inhibition there are log inhibitor versus response, variable, normalized response. Normalized, we don't need this log, we only use the 3 parameter values, so we can click here and then click create. Now these are your data. Base feeding value, your IC50 is 84.25 and another important data is standard deviation, that is the standard deviation of the residual SYX is 3.825, that is plus minus 3.825. This two data, and r square is 0.98. That's the information we need from here. Then we can look at the graph. So this graph is okay, you can click here. No need for data. Plant extract inhibition, we can keep only inhibition is okay. Inhibition percentage, inhibition is okay, and then we can maximize it. For maximize you can do here or right click and then resize graph, then more choice, we can make it 200. Right, now it looks better. Then you can click here to change the color of the line. You can take red color, it's okay, and also you can change this by using green color or whatever you like, or maybe this one. It will look like this, it's okay. Now your task is to bring the data. Click in text box, IC50 equal IC50 result. IC50 you can copy from here, just copy and then paste. 84.82 IC50 data, plus minus residue. For inside plus minus you have to click here, this one, and then insert math, and then you can click here and insert plus minus. As our residue was 3 point something, let me check again. Our standard deviation was 3.82. You can copy 3.82 or can remember 3.82, right? 3.82, and you can also keep the r square value, but the information, this information we need, we can maximize it to 20 Perfect. That's how you can create IC50 curve by using GraphPad Prism. You can click right click for copy the graph, or you can export here by TIF, or you can export here like Prism, sorry, here you can export by this way. You can send in PowerPoint also, or you can copy and paste. Thank you very much for watching. If you find it helpful, please subscribe and share.